Hey family, welcome back to Caribbean J03. Welcome back into my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Hopefully, you'll join the family and subscribe. A big welcome to all my new subscribers and a heartfelt thank you to all my regulars. I appreciate you very much. Today, I'm making banana cake. I have some bananas that I need to use, and I have enough in the freezer already, so now I decided to make banana cake because you can also freeze it. And when you're ready for it, just leave it out to thaw out, let it defrost for a few, and you can pop it right back into the oven and bring it right back. So, let's go into the kitchen and make the banana cake. Okay, so I'm starting by mashing the bananas. Oh guys, they are ripe. They're perfectly ripe. I just had to do something with them. Look at that. Perfectly ripe. Okay, so now I'm adding the sugar, and as usual, I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements in the description below. And now I'm adding my eggs. And guys, I put the eggs one at a time in a separate container just in case you find an egg that's not good. It won't destroy the rest of the ingredients. That would be the worst ever. That's a feeling that you don't want to find out. Okay, this is where you want to use a whisk if you have one. I do have one, but as I just moved, I'm still trying to find my stuff as I go along. Guys, yes, we're working on it. We're working on it. Okay, that was my vanilla, and still working on finding my stuff around, guys. Even the little measurement containers that I use. Okay, so now I'm stirring to combine all my wet ingredients. So let me set this aside and then put everything that I need for my dry ingredients. The baking powder. There. I just needed some kind of spice in there. About a teaspoon. That's a pinch of salt. Okay, so now I'm just tossing all the dry ingredients together. So now I'm going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients a little at a time. Okay guys, I think I need to mix the KitchenAid because I have no idea where the small one is packed, and I don't like the way this is looking. Okay, now I got Clifford out, and my sister named the KitchenAid and mixer Clifford. So if you ever hear me refer to Clifford, it's the KitchenAid mixer I'm talking about. Thank you, Cheerio. Okay guys, I had to transfer the mixture into Clifford only because it wasn't mixing smooth because I'm not using a whisk. It was a spoon, and the mixture was not smooth enough. So let's correct that. If you have a small cake mixer, that would work, the hand one. That's my boo. And if you have a whisk, that would have worked also. It would have smoothed out that flour. Oh boy, okay, something's not right there. Oops, let me see if I had plugged it in. Okay, it was not plugged in. Okay guys, let's continue with the mixing. Okay, I've been adding the dry ingredients a little at a time, and this is the last portion of the dry ingredient. Oh, it was nice to get Clifford out, huh? Oh, guys. Ooh. This is what they look like, guys. Nice, right? Okay, I grease and flour my baking pans. You can just use butter. You can just butter the whole bottom of it, and you're good to go. Sometimes that is all I do, is to put some butter on the bottom, grease it with some butter, and put it aside and wait for the end to pour my butter in there. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to pop them in the oven, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay, I wish if you guys can smell this. Oh my god. Look at them. They are so beautiful and smell so good. Okay guys, I did leave them to cool off a little bit, but I got distracted doing something else. But Lord, guys, okay, they came out so nice and soft and moist. Oh Lord, this recipe is definitely a keeper for real, guys. Oh guys, look at that. Look at that. Oh my Lord. I wish if you guys could just taste it, smell it. Oh my God, guys. That is so delicious. Yes. Okay, family. The banana cake is done. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you have not already. I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Let me know if you try it. I know some people will add nuts and stuff with it. We're not that. Nah. I just left it plain. And it freezes well, so I'll put one of them in the freezer, hopefully. Anyway, guys, I just had extra bananas and I didn't want them to go bad. It was at the perfect stage for banana bread. So, banana cake. You can do banana bread or you can do banana cake. Your choice. Either way, you let me know what you did or what you add to it. What kind of nuts you add to it. Yeah, that's a good one, right? Anyway, guys, see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. God bless. And of course, thanks for watching.